Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be installing a new part on the Honda Civic hatchback build. This video is brought to you guys by RW Carbon. Today we're going to be installing their Mugen style Type R carbon fiber mirror caps. These are meant for the Type R as indicated on their website, but do fit any 2016 to 2021 Honda Civic. We even got a cool RW Carbon sticker and a awesome lanyard that I'm rocking right now on my keys. So here are my old mirror caps. The carbon fiber is very, very faded. These are 2 years old, so it makes sense. To start it off and install these, you're gonna need to pop out your mirrors, and all you need to do is get a little trim removal tool, and once you pop it out enough, you can pull it out with your hand. So just as simple as that. Once you guys got the mirror out, you're gonna have to remove 3 clips. There's one in there, one on the top, and one in that third hole right there. And you're just gonna need like a flat head. So put your flat head in and get those clips. And then you popped out a little bit right there. Now we push up on the second one. And actually the whole mirror cap popped out. Sometimes the third clip isn't all the way in, so there we go. Very easy removal, and now we get to remove the other side. Just repeat the same steps. Take off your mirror and remove that mirror cap. So here's the mirror caps out of the box. They are packaged really well. They're wrapped in 2 different types of padding. So anyway, this is what it looks like. It looks so good. I love the little design on the top of the mirror cap. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and install this. So to start the install, you're gonna have to line it up on your side mirror. Of course, there is a clip right here, which you're gonna slide in first, and the whole thing will basically click into place because there are the 3 clips. And then after you slide it in, it will look so good. Here we go. We got it all on there. Once all 3 clips are in, you were all good to go, but make sure you guys check. And now we're going to install the mirror again. Before you guys do that, make sure you guys straighten these out before you put them back in. And you just slide it straight in and it should click. Once you do that, this thing will look so good. And then here's the other side we installed. And now that we got our carbon fiber mirror caps on, we're gonna be putting the RW Carbon sticker on our rear windshield. So look at that, looks so good. Thanks to RW Carbon for sponsoring the video. Check this product out on their website, rwcarbon.com.